It is.
The single biggest unlock is enabling us to allow teams to build those data products themselves, so everyone moves faster collectively within certain safe guardrails. I'm Kieran and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Bendigo Bank. Bendigo Bank's history originates in the goldfields of regional Victoria, and today we're the 5th largest retail bank in the country. A very unique community model where we invest directly back into the community through locally owned branches and boards. We have over 5,000 staff on Gemini Enterprise today, but we started with education and training. And the idea was that by putting the tools in the hands of all of our people and helping them understand how to use those tools, we'd effectively crowdsource the innovation that we know would help our customers and help us serve the communities better. We're turning the complex financial analysis into simple English, so you no longer need to know how to write code in Python or understand the complexities behind the modelling. Our teams can do the heavy lifting up front, and financial analysts can build those models. Gemini can ingest and understand those models. But the key thing now is that anyone in the organisation can interact with those models using natural language. Google SecOps is giving us the upper hand in protecting the bank and our customers by allowing us to detect at machine speed when we're under attack or where we have threats. Second is it allows us to respond very quickly. We can use some of the new tools available to remediate vulnerabilities faster than is previously possible. The key thing though is the agents can do the threat detection and the resolution, which means our own teams can work more strategically on hardening our defences to protect our 2.9 million customers. For an organisation like Bendigo, when we compete against the majors, we don't have the hundreds of billions of dollars to invest in technology that the majors do. However, we can scale and leverage every single one of our engineers by adopting agentic engineering. We believe deeply that every one of our employees, every one of our colleagues can really scale themselves for the benefit of the organisation and the benefit of our customers and our communities. We see this as a way to level the playing field of the larger organisations and help us serve our customers better. With Google Cloud, Bendigo Bank has a new way to feed into the prosperity of our customers and our communities.